students, welcome back to SST class of 6th. Children, in my previous video, I had completed the chapter number 7 of geography, that is India, location, political and physical divisions, and I hope that everybody have understood it very well. Okay, so children, today I will be discussing the exercises and question answer of the chapter. So before starting the discussion of the exercises, let's take a quick recap of the chapter what we have studied earlier in our video. So children, we know India is a unique country and we studied about various geographical location of the India. Just like that, the southernmost point of the Indian mainland is Cape Comorin. Okay, then in administrative or political units, we have studied that India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Okay, and every state have different language, culture and traditions. Okay, now in our physical division, we studied that India is divided into 5 main physical divisions, and we studied about it like the mountains, the Indo-Gangetic plains, the coastal islands, peninsular plateaus, etc. Okay, so let's discuss the exercise of the chapter. But before moving towards the exercises, let us look the key terms of the chapter so that we can get the better concept of the chapter. First one is alluvial deposit. Fine soil brought by rivers and deposited in the river basin. तो alluvial deposit क्या होता है? These are the fine soil which are brought down, जो river अपने साथ बहा के ले आती है, and deposit in the river basins. Okay. Then second one is delta. A triangular region near the place where a river falls into the sea. तो delta क्या है? एक triangular place है जो कि river बनाती है जब वो सी में गिरने वाली रहती है. Then dunes, the broad valleys of the outer Himalayas. जो outer Himalayas की जो broad valleys है, चौड़ी चौड़ी घाटियां हैं, उन्हें हम dunes कहते हैं. Then lagoons, a shallow area of salt water that is separated from sea by a reef or an area of rock or sand. तो ये जो लेगून है ये क्या है? शैलो मीन्स नॉट वेरी डीप, थोड़ा छिछला ही रहता है. ऑफ सॉल्ट वाटर और फ्रेश वाटर सेपरेट होता है एक रीफ की वजह से, उसी को हम लेगून कहते हैं. देन पेनिनसुला, अ पार्ट ऑफ लैंड मास सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन 3 साइड्स. एक ऐसा लैंड मास जो कि वाटर से, पानी से 3 साइड से घिरा हुआ है. Then tributary, a small river or stream which joins a main river from either side. तो tributary क्या है? एक small river, छोटी नदी है, stream है जो कि main river को किसी भी side से join कर सकती है. Okay, so these are some important key terms of the chapter that you have to learn it. You have to write in your copy and you have to learn it. Okay. Now let's start with our exercise discussion. So children, open page number 176. Okay, and this exercise you have to fill it in the book. आपको book में ही करना है. Use only pencil. Date डालिए आज का and then start writing. The first question is A, that is multiple choice questions. First one, Lakshadweep Islands are situated in the option A, Bay of Bengal, option B, Arabian Sea, option C, Arctic Ocean. So the right answer is option B, that is Arabian Sea. Question number 2, rivers Narmada and Tapi flow into the option A, Arabian Sea, option B, Bay of Bengal, and option C, Indian Ocean. So the right answer is Arabian Sea, that is option A. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. The first one, Dash is the largest state in India. So the right answer is Rajasthan. Okay. Then second, the snow-clad Dash form the northernmost extent of India. So the right answer is Himalayas. Okay. Then third, Dash is the national capital of India. Answer is New Delhi. Fourth one, the Karakoram range in Tibet is known as the, right answer is Kailash range. Okay, so this is the fill in the blanks. Now come to question number C, that is match the column. First one, Thar desert, it is in Lake Sambar. Okay, then reorganized state, second one, that is Uttarakhand, that is made from Uttar Pradesh. Then Himadri, third one, Great Himalayan Range, and fourth one is Indo-Gangetic Plains, that is alluvium. So this is the fill in the blanks. Now again come to question number A, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, take the correct options. First one, the largest delta in the world is option A, Sundarban Delta, option B, Lao Chaco, and option C, Grand Canyon. So the right answer is option A, that is Sundarban Delta. Okay, then question number 2, rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow into the option A, Arabian Sea, option B, Bay of Bengal, and option C, Southern Sea. So the right answer is option B, that is Bay of Bengal. Okay children, so this is the exercises. ये सारी exercises आपको book में fill करना है by the help of a pencil in a very neat and clean handwriting. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे date डालेंगे and you will do that. Okay, now come to the question answer. तो question answer आप कैसे करते हैं? तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? You have to put the date in your copy, then write the chapter number, जो कि आपको पता है, that is chapter number 7. Name of the chapter is India, Location, Political and Physical Divisions. Okay, then you have to write about the chapter, जो कि मैं आपको notes में दूंगी तो आप उससे लिखेंगे. Then key terms आपको book में ही दिया हुआ है, you have to write key terms. Okay, after that the short answer questions. Short answer questions you will get notes in the form of PDF. Then again long answer question, that also you will get notes in the form of PDF. Then higher order thinking skill questions, that also you will be getting the notes in the form of PDF. And after completing short, long and HOTS, you have to write at last the summary. Summary is given on पेज नंबर 175. पॉइंट्स टू रिमेम्बर में जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं आपको वो एज ए समरी अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके, एंड वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग इट शुड बी वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. क्वेश्चंस के लिए ब्लैक पेन यूज करिए एंड आंसर्स लिखने के लिए ब्लू पेन यूज करिए, एंड ऑलवेज अंडरलाइन द इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म्स. ओके, सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द कॉपी वर्क एंड बुक वर्क. ठीक है, देन एट लास्ट आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एन आउटलाइन मैप ऑफ इंडिया. अब मैप वर्क में आपको कुछ करना है. सो मैप वर्क में आपको क्या करना है, आपको इंडिया का आउटलाइन मैप ड्रॉ करना है. इट इज गिवन इन द बुक, आप देख सकते हैं बुक में दिया है. ठीक है, इट इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 177. यू कैन ड्रॉ विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट. आप उसको ड्रॉ करेंगे. देन यू हैव टू लोकेट ऑल द 7 नेबरिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. जो भी इंडिया के 7 नेबरिंग कंट्रीज है, जैसे बांग्लादेश, भूटान, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, श्रीलंका, म्यांमार, तो इन कंट्रीज को आपको लोकेट करना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, एंड आई होप दैट एवरीबडी विल डू इट. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.